Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets all finished up higher yesterday, led by soybeans to the upside. You had some weather concerns, also some technical buying come into the market yesterday, and that spurred us higher. Lower across the board this morning. We had crop progress out yesterday. That's a little bit of a reason why. Also, some showers have been realized. There's also some more forecasted for this week and next week. So that's got us lower across the board here this morning. So I mentioned crop progress was released yesterday afternoon. So let's take a look at that. Grab our whiteboard here. So I'm going to go over good to excellent ratings first. Corn came in at 73% good to excellent. That's a 2% decrease from last week. That was expected. The trade was expecting it to come in between 1 to 3% lower. So we were lower in corn yesterday. Beans were also expected to come in lower as well. However, they were unchanged. Came in at 71%, and then wheat came in at 70% as well. So unchanged conditions in the soybean market, plus the improved weather outlook. One of the reasons we're pretty significantly lower this morning, over double digits lower. As far as corn silking goes, came in at 90%. That's a 12% increase from last week. Beans blooming came in at 85%. That's a 9% increase from last week. And then spring wheat headed came in at 97%. That's a 4% increase from last week. And then corn doing came in at 36%. It's a 19% increase from last week. Beans setting pods came in at 57%. It's a 19% increase from last week. And then winter wheat harvest came in at 90%, 7% increase from last week. So that goes over crop progress. Again, just to kind of recap why we're lower so far this morning, that data right there that we saw. Corn's not that much lower. Beans, however, are. Didn't see the drop in condition ratings that the market was expecting. So that's added into some selling. Plus, realized some rains, and then also the improved forecast for more rains throughout this week and into next week as well has us lower across the board. So that's all we've got for today. If you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services, broker who provides research market commentary and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.